quorum refers to the number of people required to be present before a meeting can conduct business. Unless stated differently in bylaws, articles, regulations, or other rules established by the organization, a quorum is usually a majority of members. A quorum for meetings of corporate boards of directors, homeowners associations, clubs and shareholders meetings are usually set in the bylaws. The quorum for meetings of governmental bodies such as commissions and boards are usually set by statute.